For over 40 years, air conditioners have pretty much been the same, either on or off. It's time to change the game for improved comfort and better efficiency. Introducing just the right amount of cool, the RUUD Ultra Series variable speed air conditioners and heat pumps. To better understand variable speed technology, think about a home's cooling needs on a summer day. They're always changing, and the highest demand is usually mid to late afternoon. A single-stage system is seldom sized correctly to meet exact needs in real time. That's because it's either on or off. And in most cases, it will be oversized at night and undersized in the heat of the afternoon. Of course, the exact opposite happens in the winter. More warm air is needed at night and in the early morning. Our variable speed Ultra Series units work differently. They're able to operate at a wide range of speeds in order to precisely adapt cooling and heating capacities to current demands. Here's how they work. The variable speed outdoor unit control continuously monitors our EcoNet control temperature and humidity set point, along with system temperatures, pressures, and the outdoor temperature, and feeds this information to the inverter control motor drive. The motor drive converts AC to DC power, which allows the Copeland Scroll variable speed compressor, featuring a brushless permanent magnet motor, to dynamically adjust its speed. Simultaneously, the unit control provides input to both the outdoor fan motor, which has the latest swept-wing fan technology, and the electronic expansion valve, which syncs up with the compressor speed to deliver the exact capacity needed to meet comfort requirements. Our Ultra line is up to 54% more efficient in cooling and 58% more efficient in heating than traditional designs. Units are rated up to 20 SEER and 13 HSPF for heat pumps. And when compared with the most commonly replaced units in the market today, the new RUUD variable speed line saves hundreds of dollars each year in operation costs. RUUD's inverter technology offers best-in-class humidity control for perfect comfort and almost continuously filters and cycles clean air, resulting in superior indoor air quality. We've designed features that make installation easier than ever. Built for durability and backed by one of the industry's best warranties, our products are designed for peace of mind. Plus, every unit comes with EcoNet-enabled technology, offering industry-leading home energy management and diagnostic features. Bottom line, this highly synchronized system consistently supplies ideal cooling or heating capacity from minute to minute, maintaining desired temperature and humidity set points in all seasons, and all while saving money. New inverter-driven Ultra Series air conditioners and heat pumps from RUUD. Cooler just got smarter.